Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest tech tips and tricks that make your digital life simpler. Today we're tackling a question that many of you have been asking. How can you deactivate your Instagram account twice a week in 2024? Whether you're looking to take a break from social media, focus on your studies, or just spend more quality time offline, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First things first, it's important to note that Instagram's policy only allow you to deactivate your account once a week. But don't worry, I'll show you a workaround that can help you achieve the goal of taking those much needed breaks twice a week. To deactivate your account, you'll need to open the Instagram application and log in into your account. Go to your profile, then tap on three horizontal lines, then tap on Account Center. Scroll down until you find Personal Details. Tap on it. Here you can see Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation. Choose the account you want to deactivate. So here you can see two options, that is to deactivate account and delete account. So if you're deactivating for the first time in a week, then you can deactivate account. But if you're deactivating for the second time, then you'll need to delete account. And there you have it. While it's not a perfect solution, this method always allows you to take two breaks from Instagram, helping you to reduce screen time and focus on other aspects of your life.